They call Chapel-en-le-Frith the capital of the Peak District, and if there's one street that's come to define the town, it's Church Brow. Painted, photographed and recognised for generations, and here at number 3 we've got a rare opportunity to own a piece of its history.
From the outside, this is perfect early 1700s Peak District character, but inside has been completely renewed, refloored, replumbed, rewired, replastered and rethought, with a bright and airy modern kitchen with dining space and fitted luxury Miele appliances including a steam oven. Mod cons like these and the extensive upgrades throughout take this period piece of Chapel-en-le-Frith history to an EPC rating of C, in line with homes of modern construction.
Oh, it's like an animal farm, that's a rural charm in the country.
Living on Church Brow just brings a different pace to things. You're central and connected for amenities and transport links, but the Peak District landscape lies just beyond the doorstep, and there's even a fantastic garden office to enjoy it from, with its own mains power and water supply. If this feels like just the one you've been waiting for, it's well worth coming to see.